Welcome back to the weekend vlog. I have my collagen face mask on, which I'm gonna keep for like a couple of hours. Normally I do it overnight, but today is Sunday, it's Saturday, so I thought I'll just do it for like until I take bath, basically a couple of hours. I'm gonna go feed Marvel, he's gonna go out, and then we ordered breakfast Chick-fil-A because we haven't had the chicken minis for so long, and they're like just so good with the biscuit that it comes with. It's delicious, and honey. So that's what we are gonna eat. I'm not making anything, I did, but we ordered breakfast from outside from Chick-fil-A, remember? And then I'm gonna make coffee at home, but let's get started giving breakfast to Marvel. It shoot?
Yes, Lily.
Oh.
Now can you go bring the plate?
Yes.
Let's see what's in the box.
Ta-da! Ta-da-dun-dun-dun-dun-da! Open it from the other side.
Here?
Yeah.
What's in the box? What's in the box?
What's in the box?
Let's see.
First look up, let me tie her. Open it slowly.
Not yet. Not yet. Maybe there's a banana. Maybe there's an apple in there.
Okay, open it and see. I'm gonna go take Marvel outside. Here.
No, I got it.
Okay. Wow, these are marble brownies. Look at that.
Yum! Let's take a big bite. Yum!
You like it?
I'm not bad. I'm not put any water to eat my little brownie you got from the mermaid store.
Alright, let me get you a plate. It's so good. I tried like the dalgona method, and I haven't done that in a long time, but look at that. It looks so good. Mom, come here. Yesterday we went to give Marvel a nice bath, and there's a store here called Just Dog People, and they have amazing products, and he is smelling and looking so good. Yeah. No more Cheetos, sir. Can you sit pretty? Sit pretty? Sit pretty? No. Sit pretty? Marvel? Pretty? Pretty? No. No Cheetos until pretty. Sit pretty? Pretty?
Sit pretty. Marvel. Pretty.
Sit pretty?
Yes. Good
Yeah,
boy.
good job.
Daddy!
Breakfast is here.
No, I don't like it.
You don't like it? We haven't even tried it yet.
Hold on. Let me see what they have given to us. They have given some these. I don't know what that is. Some sauces.
What?
Honey and strawberry jam?
And some mini.
Hash brown nahi hai?
Marvel.
Marvel. You do the hair tie?
And some mini hash browns.
Wow.
And some mini burgers.
Look, mini chicken burgers.
Here, let me give it to you in the
Here's
plate.
the plate.
Wait, I want to open the box.
Okay.
You wanna? Here, open it.
What's in the box?
Ah.
What's in the box?
Open it and see.
Let's find out.
Keep it here. Keep it.
Whoa!
Yum!
Take some in your plate.
All
Can
of
you take?
them.
Oh no, we. Here. Do you want a ketchup?
You want some
That's
ketchup?
It's here.
And here's the chicken burger.
Here, let me give you 2 chicken burgers. You should finish 2 chicken burgers.
Should I give you some ketchup?
Let's spread a little bit.
And do you want ketchup?
Okay.
These what?
Chicken.
No, these
Mini.
mini, not chinny.
Yeah.
Mini and hold it and eat it. chicken with biscuits are so delicious, and especially if you like just drizzle some honey on top of it. Wow.
Yummy.
Yeah.
Yummy, tasty food.
Yeah.
Daddy got.
Yeah, yummy, tasty food. Alright, so we all are at the mall except for Nitish, because Nitish has a photo shoot, and we are here to check out Forever 21 because apparently Forever 21 is closing all the stores here in US. So that's why we are here to check out some swimsuits, because we have a Florida trip coming. So let's go check out some swimsuits. Alright, they're here sitting in the car. They're gonna drive the car, and while we are gonna go to Forever 21.
Okay. He's giving it to you.
Alright, babe, show me the clothes. I tried this whole bag of clothes. Now we're gonna go check out.
Yeah, now we're gonna go check out.
So let's go. So we are at Tankies for lunch, and I'll show you guys when they start cooking, but it's gonna be fun. Aiden, are you excited to see an onion volcano? Yeah, they're gonna make a volcano in here.
And water in it.
Yeah. And look, a smiley face.
Ready for the fire?
He's gonna make a fire now.
The fire, ready?
He's gonna make the fire. Look, Aiden. Look. Wow, Aiden. It's like magic. She started crying a lot. Aiden, it's like magic. Alright, we have started getting our onion and zucchini and mushrooms. It tastes so good. It's like such simple seasoning, but so good. I see. Chicken is giving the eggies. Yeah. Yeah. For Nitish and Ashley, for their anniversary. Oh, it says I love you, baby. It's you with the egg. But yeah, Ashley, it's for you. That's what it said.
Let me get a shot of that. Maybe love for y'all. It's not done yet.
Oh, now it's done.
Next year.
Oh, that is so cute.
Next year's
Alright, my medium rare steak is here, my rice, the veggies, the sauce. Oh my god, it all looks so good. And it tastes amazing. What do you have in your face, I did? Your lips? Right, it's so funny. Alright, we had a great food show, and then now they give so much of food that we all have to take it back because there's no way we can finish it. Aiden, here. Aiden. But yeah, we're gonna go to the park from here, so I can go have fun, play, and we can just chill and digest our food that we just ate.
Alright, we are at the popsicle store, and the kids are enjoying the strawberry popsicle, and you are eating a strawberry popsicle, and Aiden is eating it. Wow.
Yeah, I drew it. I was getting bored, so I just drew it.
Really nice handwriting.
And then you said something, so I just said on WhatsApp, like, you said something bad. I think it's yummy. Yeah? Actually, very good. Actually, you have all the...
Is it yummy? Wow. Rani, yummy.
I think I have the mango.
Yeah.
Yummy. That's the real.
They're enjoying the popsicles over here, strawberry cream popsicles. So they are not just right? They're with the cream, the ones that I made when you were in India.
Alright, we are leaving from the mall. We also, oh yeah, you guys saw they enjoyed the popsicle. It was so delicious. And now we are gonna go to the outdoor park. That's close to our house. We're gonna go there so kids can have some fun, right, Aiden? Alright, yeah, so that's the plan. We're gonna go outdoor park and then we'll see. We're here at the park. It's a beautiful windy day, as you can see, and it's a full park. So let's go check it out. Aiden, come.
Yeah. Go over there. Now hold this rope and go.
Come on, get up. You wanna climb up?
Yeah, hold this rope and go.
You can climb up, come on.
Come here.
There you go.
One step at a time. Yes. Now hold here. Yep.
And then go to the slide. She's helping you, baby. Go, it's okay. I didn't go, it's okay. She's helping you.
There's a kid.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah.
Right, we are back home with the shopping. So I haven't done this in a long time, but I'm gonna do it today. I haven't actually shopped in a very long time, like clothes. So every time I shop, me and Mayank, we shop, we always come back home and we put everything in the bed and see it once what all we got, just so you know, remember, and then I put it away in the closet. So that's what I'm gonna do now. And I have Forever 21 bag and H&M inside it, so let's go put it in the closet.
No, I don't wanna waste what's left.
Alright, let me show you real quick. So this is the skirt. This is super, what? The sun is so strong. Okay, there you go. You see the skirt? This is so cute. And then this is one top. And then we have another top. This is how it looks. They had a very good collection. Another one. And if you guys don't know, they Forever 21 is closing all stores in the United States. So that's why they are having a huge sale. So it's better to go run to the store or online to get your pieces you want. This is a tube top. Very pretty. It was looking so good with the jeans. And this is another one. And then this with inside, I saw a mannequin wearing it and I was in love with this style. So I was like, okay, fine. I'm gonna get the whole set. Basically like this. Like this. It's super cute. And then I have this one casual shirt. And then this leather top. And then for swimwear, I got... let me show you from this side. This is a one piece. This is a one piece. And I love the details. Marvel, no. I love the details on these. Marvel, no. And then Marvel, not my new clothes. Marvel, get off here, go. Just trying to take my new clothes. And then this one, another one piece swimsuit. It's like a tube style. Very cute though. I love the detail again. And then this one, I saw this and then I was like, maybe no, I don't know how I'm gonna look in my mom body. But then Mayank said no, try it, and I loved how I look. Honestly I've been working out and everything, and then everything is going very good, but I was just not confident, I want to say, or I don't know what I want to say, but I thought I won't look good at this and this, but I actually loved how I look. So very proud of myself for going through but trying it, and proud of Mayank for pushing me to try it. And then another one, let me show you. Another one is this one piece, very pretty. And then this one is also one of my favorites. This is a two piece, This is how it is. Look at the detail, and then it has a tie in the back, and this is the bottom, and then I love this look. Very beautiful. And the other one is this one. This is how it is, and this is the bottom. This is also very nice and cheeky, so I love that. And I got this cover up set. This is like a shirt and a pant cover up. So yeah, that's all I got. That is all I got, but like, so happy with the shopping. And you guys, I don't know if you guys told you or not, but next on April we are going to Florida for our vacation, and then June again we are going for a beach vacation. So I have enough swimsuits now for all these vacations. So we're gonna go to Disney in April, so very excited for that. That's why I shopped some things, and yeah. Yeah, it's almost done. Whoa. That loaf, I started the process yesterday, and then wow, I'm gonna take some extra for the road. And we have a fridge in the hotel room, so we're just gonna keep some bread just in case, you know. There's never enough bread, I feel like. Done completely before slicing them open, but oh wow. Babe, look.
Whoa!